Hey, how's it going? My name is AJ Shirey, and I'm actually on vacation at the Emerald Coast at Santa Rosa Beach in Florida. But we're staying in this condo with this amazing shower. It has a window up here with some natural light coming in, and I thought I would make a new video showing you how to use Monet shampoo. Now, why do I even need to do this? Well, people don't know how to wash their hair. It's something you've probably done as long as you can remember, and our product is different. It's oil-based and it's sulfate-free, paraben-free, it's super clean. So it's a little bit of a different process. So I'm just gonna improvise here a little bit and show you how to use our shampoo. So the first thing is you wanna get your hair soaking wet. And you seem like, this may seem normal, but it really isn't. A lot of people with a regular shampoo, you can just kind of get your hair wet, and it has so much detergent in it, like dishwashing type soap, that it would still lather up. But with ours, it's oil-based, and you have to add your own water. So you want to start with a super soaked scalp. Then you want to get a tiny amount. So I'm going to use the Monat Black 2-in-1, and I use about a dime size amount. Now look how little that is. And see how slow it goes down my hand? That's because it's oil-based, not water-based. You want to emulsify it. Rub your hands together until your hands are white. See, my hands are white now. Then you're going to put it in your hair. I didn't say really shampoo. It doesn't lather up. It's sulfate-free. It's not going to lather up. I've been at the beach, in the ocean, so there's going to be some extra stuff in my hair from the environment. It is not going to lather, but it is still doing its thing. And I'm going to let it just sit on my hair 2 to 3 minutes. You need to let it sit on your hair at least 1 to 2 minutes. But if it's your first time to try Monet, let it sit on your hair 2 to 3 minutes. You don't need a timer, just like give it some time. Like shave your legs, wash your body, something like that. I keep adding water to help spread it around since it's oil-based. We're only 20% water instead of 80% water like most other products. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through the video so that you don't have to sit here while I'm waiting on the shampoo to do its thing. But what I'll do is I'm going to rinse it out. In fact, I'll speed up the video for a minute. Is I'm going to rinse it out, and then I'm going to lather up again, and I will show you how it makes a huge lather the second time after not lathering this time. So don't worry, it's still working. Okay, so I'm going to lather up again, or lather this time, same amount, little amount. See how slow it goes down my hand? Oil-based. You get so much more bang for your buck with this product. I emulsify it so my hands are white. And now I'm already getting a lather that I wasn't getting before. I have to keep adding water because it's oil-based. And you have to add the water. The water is not in a bottle. A bottle will last most people 3 to 5 months, and you wash twice every time. Actually, if you go to hair school, to cosmetology school, they teach you to wash your hair twice no matter what shampoo you use. But with sulfate-free, you really have to because it's a clean product. Okay, I'm going to let that sit on my hair a couple of minutes. I'll stop the camera and I'll come back and I'll rinse it. Okay, so I'm going to rinse this out. And I'm going to see if it feels like it's clean. The only reason I'm a little bit unsure is I'm at the ocean. And then I went into a pool. And I may want to wash my hair a third time. It feels good. I think I'm okay. My hair grows so fast now. So if you don't know me, if somebody just sent you this video to watch, I started using these products just as a customer 3 years ago because I had receding hairline really bad in here, and you could see my scalp. And so you can't see my scalp now, even in the shower with my hair soaking wet. I still have probably the most fine hair you can possibly imagine. And I'm super happy with these products. My hair doesn't tangle like it used to. It grows super fast. It's shiny, healthy looking. I like it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is, oh, let me get the soap out of my like to use a conditioner. So this is a travel size of our conditioner. Our conditioner lasts me about 5 months, and I probably use more than I should. So I'm going to use about the same amount as I did of the shampoo, maybe a little bit more. Rub my hands together. It doesn't really emulsify. And you want to put it in like the length of your hair. So just kind of start at like where you'd make a ponytail back here and run it through your hair. If you want, you can get like a wet brush or a big comb and comb it through. I just kind of finger comb it through. And I'm going to leave this in here like 2 to 3 minutes. And I'll pause the video and I'll wash my body or shave or something. But this is the volumizing conditioner. We actually have shampoo and conditioners for every hair type. Whether you have frizzy hair, wavy hair, curly hair. Whether it's like super dry, oily, or maybe you have an icky scalp that flakes. If you want volume, if you have flat stringy hair, I have shampoo and conditioner for that. Pretty much I've got a combo, and all of them make your hair grow. So what we do is we make the scalp healthy. We make your scalp healthy so that hair follicle can open back up and grow hair the way it used to. So we really just kind of rewind the age of your scalp to probably like 15, 20 years earlier in your age. So your hair is going to grow like it did several years ago. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video, and I'm actually going to wash my face with Monat cleanser because I got in here with makeup. Oh, we did a photo shoot earlier today on the beach this morning, and so I put on makeup for that. So I'm going to wash my face, and then I'll pop back on and rinse my hair, and if I think of anything else, any other tips, I'll let you know. Okay, so I'm back from washing my face. My conditioner has had a couple of minutes, so I'm going to just rinse out the conditioner. And when you start to feel your hair, when you rinse through the conditioner, that's when you know you have found a winner. Like, it just becomes smooth and silky and not near as many tangles if you struggle with tangles. That was one of the first things I noticed the very first time I used the product. So what I did is I loved the first time I used Monet, and I went and signed up as a market partner just so I could get the bigger discount. I was not going to sell the products, but I knew I wanted to order everything that I needed for my hair type. Like, I knew I wanted all clean products. And so I went ahead and signed up as a market partner. And then about 3 weeks later, I started feeling convicted that I should share Monet with everybody on my Facebook at the time. I wasn't on Instagram because I knew that there had to be other women about my age, getting to be about middle age, that were having hair loss. And at the time, I didn't realize that like young moms have hair loss. I didn't get hair loss my boys, and that there's all kinds of reasons, stress and medication, that a woman of any age or a man can start to have hair loss prematurely. And it really affects your confidence, like for men or women, but for women, like that's really something that we want to be proud of, is like having enough hair and being able to make our hair look, you know, at least decent. Like, even if I can't have the best hair, I want to have enough and I want it to look healthy. So I'm done now. My hair feels great. I'm ready to get out, and I'll use a heat protectant. You always want to use a heat protectant if you blow dry your hair or use heat tools. And then I'm going to use my Rejuva beads split end mender. We're the only people who have it. And then I will use my IRT spray. So one extra oomph product, if you are hating your thinning hair, is we have a spray called Intense Repair Treatment, and you can spray it where you're receding. I spray it all over my hair now, and it just gives you another tool to open those hair follicles back up. All right, I'll see you guys later. Have a good day.